Hello everyone, my name is Bart Kent. I'm the founder of msg2agentbuilder, and in this series we'll show you 3 different ways to install and run msg2agentbuilder. In the first video we'll install it locally. The second video we focus on installation through Docker, and finally our third video will cover how we install it over cloud using Google Cloud Platform. Just as an intro, msg2agentbuilder is an open source project by msg2agentbuilder, company focused on making AI workflows accessible through the simplest, most universal interface, text messaging. Our goal at msg2agentbuilder is to let everyone interact with advanced AI agents using just text messaging or WhatsApp. So why text messaging? Well, it's very simple because people are constantly on the go. They don't always have time to open an app or log into a web interface. Secondly, text messaging works asynchronously, so you can send a message now, get a response later, and keep your day moving. And thirdly, one of the most important factors is you don't have to download an app. There's no friction and there's no learning curve. It just works. Before we dive into the installation, let's make sure you've got Agent Builder from OpenAI workflow ready. So for this, we're going to kind of OpenAI platform. Here's the URL, platform OpenAI Agent Builder. I've already created a workflow. I'll just open up over here. And as you can see, it's very simple. Start and end with in the middle an agent. And we just give it some very simple instruction. Translate everything in French, only translation, nothing else. Right? The other important kind of aspect is that there's this code button over here. And here you have the workflow ID that's specifically associated with this agent. So let me just copy this. We'll need this later for when we go and install our environment variables. All right, let's get Agent Builder running locally on your machine. So for this, we're going to GitHub. We'll go to this repo here, msg2AI, msg2agentbuilder. Button over here, we can copy the URL. For this, we'll go to cursor, clone repo. We'll put the repo name over here, install it. We'll pick a repository, open it up. Okay, and the first action we take is actually to copy the .env example. So here we do Command C, Command V, and rename this to .env.local. All right, and for the first video, we just need 2 environment variables, the OpenAI API key and the workflow ID from OpenAI Agent Builder. So I'll fill this now in, and then we'll kind of continue the video. So for next, we're going to terminal and do an npm install. And after the installation, we do npm run dev. This will kind of make the code available on your local host. So we'll go to the specific website, and I'll make this a little bit bigger. We have now the workflow installed, reference to the API key, and we can test the application. How are you today? And this is just the chatbot interface, and it translated it to French. Comment ça va aujourd'hui? So this is the end of our first video. In the next video, we will start tackling how we now install this specific application on a Docker container and how we connect it to Twilio for text messaging. I'll see you soon in the next video.